Have you got a Porsche 997 and you want to upgrade the taillights? The Porsche 997 has aged gracefully over the last decade, with many Porsche enthusiasts now calling it the last of the truly analog cars. Unfortunately, this includes the taillights. At Morimoto, we get it, and that's why our new 997 LED taillights are about as future-proof as the 911 itself. These are a direct bolt-in fitment for all 997.1 era Porsche 911s from the year 2005 to 2008, including the Carrera S, Cabrio, Targa, and Turbo models. They all use the stock mounting points and should not take more than a few minutes to install after popping the rear deck lid. The Porsche 997 XP taillights from Morimoto are designed to work without any modifications, cutting, or splicing. They'll plug right into the factory connectors of the stock lights on all US spec cars and function without error codes or hyperflashing. There's integrated resistors, but they're very easy to install via magnetic mounts directly behind the taillight housings. We'll get to that in a second. Now, there are two versions of these taillights, the red lens and the smoked lens versions. The red lens model looks especially natural on the car and could truly pass for the original equipment, while the smoked version offers a more aggressive and even more modern look, similar to the clear tails from the latest 992 generation. The optical light pipe that flanks the top edge of the housings acts as a low-intensity parking light. Below that, all three optics serve as the high-intensity red brake light and amber turn signals, while the innermost serves as a white reverse light indicator. All optics are designed in conformity with DOT regulations. These taillights are built with a durable polycarbonate lens that's been UV treated and will resist the test of time, keeping the housings looking new for many years to come. These units are backed by a 5-year warranty, so you've got some peace of mind along with this purchase. To start the installation process, open your engine cover and remove this one bolt with a Phillips head screwdriver holding in the driver's side taillight. Slide the taillight out and towards you. Unplug the taillight. Clean the sheet metal behind the taillight. Take the two resistors that are included with the Morimoto taillights and install them on the sheet metal that you just cleaned behind the taillight. Make sure the magnets fully seat on the metal. Take your driver's side Morimoto taillight. Slide the taillight into its place on the car. Make sure the side aligners get aligned properly. If it doesn't, then the corner of the taillight will stick out. Insert the bolt and hand tighten. Now tighten the bolt, but do not use power tools. Repeat those steps on the other side of the car. An added bonus, these taillights have a plug-and-play solution to install the Morimoto boost bar. To install the boost bar, remove your license plate and license plate holder. Remove the bolt holding the top of the bumper. Run the wiring through the hole in the bumper up to the top and over to the tail light area. Plug the boost bar into the taillight, disconnect the reverse light resistor, which is the white wire, and then reassemble the car. From there, you can enjoy your 997 taillights and make your way to the front of the vehicle so that you can work on the headlights available from Morimoto as well.